How to sell Amazon from Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to sell on Amazon from your Shopify account. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Shopify website, and after that just log into your account using your credentials. Just simply click on login from the top menu. And once you have logged in into your Shopify account, then you have to come to your Amazon Seller Central official website, where you have to log into your account, or if you don't have your seller account already, you can create one for yourself, and I'm going to show you how you will be able to create it. But first you need to know the requirement for an Amazon Shopify integration in order for you to sell your Shopify products on your Amazon account. So first requirement is that you need to have a Shopify store with a paid plan, and if you don't have it, just simply go for the select a plan option from the bottom right corner of the screen, and from there just select any of the plan given right here. You can select from the basic, Shopify, advanced and plus program, and each one of these programs have different fees associated with it, and you can check the features that comes with the plans which are written over there. So just select the plan for yourself and just get your paid subscription with the Shopify account, and then you need to have a professional seller account on Amazon as well. So as I just told you, you need to have a Seller Central account in the Amazon seller website, and if you don't have it, just simply click on start selling, and after that just fill in your details. Just simply click on it first, and then just simply enter your email address, your password, and other details will be required. And after that, once you have your account created, just simply click on login, enter your phone number or your password, and after that just log into your Amazon Seller Central account, and your home page will look something like this, which will ask you to click here and add products. But before that you need to know some other criterias as well. And after that you need to have a matching currency of Shopify store with Amazon Marketplace. So for example, you are selling products in US, so you should have a matching currency of US dollars in both your Shopify account as well as in your Amazon Marketplace. And then there is another requirement for the Shopify seller, is that no following Amazon's fulfillment program, which is FBA. I will tell you more about this later on in this video. So once you have all these requirements fulfilled, then you need to create a professional seller account that I just told you how you can create one for the Amazon Seller Central. And once you have created your account, then you need to check the criteria approval for Amazon. So there are many categories of products on Amazon, which one can select being restricted and the other being approved. So you must find out the categories your business supports and get the required approval for if needed. Find the overview of the categories here, and you can easily find out if you need any approval of your categories, what are the required procedures, and even the conditions you are allowed to sell. Be sure of this step to avoid any complications in the future. And once you have done it, then the most important and essential part is that you need to conduct a market research, and you need to select a selling strategy and a business plan for yourself. So in order to conduct a market research, all you have to do is just simply come to your Amazon e-commerce website, which is the Amazon website where you purchase products from Amazon. And over here you need to conduct a research of the product and the things that you would want to sell from your Shopify account to your Amazon account. So as you can see that there are so many different categories that you can choose from, and if you're planning to sell products in one of those categories, just simply go there and see whether those products are trending or not, whether people are buying those products or not, how many reviews that they have on that particular product, and how many people are getting interested getting that product recently for their home or for maybe their personal uses. So you have to conduct the research for that. You can use market research and competitive analysis to help you decide what to sell on Amazon. You are looking for a product that are trending and have a good profit margin in space with relatively weak competition. So there are very few ways you can access the current market landscape and on Amazon and decide which product to prioritize. So you can review the Amazon bestseller list. So you have to look for the best sellers for the category that you are looking to get the products for. For example, you're thinking to start a clothing or accessories line from the Shopify to sell on Amazon. So you can see that there are best seller in the clothing and accessories section. Just simply click on it, and over here you can see that there are so many best selling products that are over here on this particular list. So you can select and see the quality and the review of the people and how many people have bought it, So see, you can see that there are 135 global rating of this particular product, which is very low. So you can go ahead and select any other product which are currently getting more sales and getting very popular amongst the people. So you can select for the today's deal as well. So you can see there are so many different products with electronics, appliances, home, kitchen, furniture, grooming, wellness, mobile, and other things. So you can go ahead and scroll the products over here and select the product that you would like the most. So once you are done selecting the product and the category for your Shopify store that you would want to get and sell on Amazon, then you have to find out the third party app for Amazon and Shopify integration. So there are so many apps available. So once you have made sure the necessary approval, and the integration process will start with help you. Since Shopify delisted Amazon as a sales channel in 2021, the manual method becomes unavailable for the merchant. The alternative found was using third-party application for the Amazon Shopify integration process and the smooth running for the business on both platforms moving forward. So there are many apps these days that you can find on Shopify App Store, like Seed Commerce, Marketplace Connect, and other Amazon channel and Amazon importer spreaders, and even Shopify's own Marketplace Connect. But I'm going to use the seedcommerce.com, so you can use that one as well, which will enable you to multi-channel connection with e-commerce website. And in order to start the integration process, just simply click on Let's Connect. And over here, just fill in your details like your name, your last name, email address, and in the marketplace section, just simply select the seller because you are going to sell the product. And in the framework section, in the first option, just simply select Shopify, and in the marketplace section, just simply select Amazon because you are going to integrate both of them. And you have to select your business size and the category that you are dealing in. And after that, you can also add a brief description and click on I agree to Seed Commerce website and accept the terms and condition and click on submit. And once your Shopify and Amazon gets integrated, then you have to come to the your Amazon account. Then you have to come to your Amazon seller account and start listing your product by clicking on click here to add products. Just simply get your products that you would want to buy, and over here just enter the keyword, product image, product ID, blank form, and bulk template, and click on view template. And this is basically how you will be able to sell on Amazon from Shopify. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.